Alright, today is 3/7/24 and it is my first time going to use the SinoTrack to cut off the fuel on the 2001 Ford E350. So everything's wired, and let's go ahead and make this happen. So yeah, it's SinoTrack. We're going to go to fuel control. You're going to go to cutoff and put in the password of 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6. Okay. Wow, it really shut down. Amazing. First time ever. So it works. So let's go backtrack here. So we have the SinoTrack here. I can't tell you that login password, but basically there's some LEDs making sure it works. So the yellow goes to ignition, meaning that when you turn on the key, you have, the orange is going to the ignition, meaning when you turn the key, there's 12 volts going in the orange. The red is all the time 12 volts. And then the yellow is the one that it sends out a ground signal to shut off the fuel pump. And in this car particularly, this yellow, I ran it to a red line, and it's cutting across the engine bay. Had to take out the engine cover, and then let's walk over to the other side. Let me just kind of finish this wiring here. So the orange wire, I tapped into this yellow wire because this car used to have an alarm here, so I have to cover all this up. And then the red wire, I fed it into one of these fuses that's purple down there, and that purple is 3 amps, and the one behind it is 30 amps. So it's piggybacking off of that. Now we're gonna go back over here. Right now there's still a constant negative ground signal going into this relay. So this is the supplied relay that they gave you. So the two green ones, you just go ahead and cut off your inertial switch there. So there was a green wire, and then I just sliced it and put one end on one and the other one, and then we have shrink wrap. And then for the white one, just go find a constant 12 volt all the time. And then for this car, it happens to be this really thick black with a red stripe. You can find something thinner. There's more wires in here. Again, this is a 2001 Ford E350. And then this yellow one is the one that is going to this red one, which is ultimately the yellow one on the module. And then when I soldered this, I pulled this out. I took a little one of these things, pulled it out, and then this thing came down. To get this one out, you gotta pull this one out right here, and then you can test the wires. But everything is plugged, and so I had a really big fat juicy connector here, so I just did one of these cigarette lighters, which I should have put a fuse in here, but that's that. And then right now I should not be able to start the car. Yep, car isn't starting. So I got to go back into the app and then do the cut fuel pump off, and then the car should start. So let me turn on my iPhone. I'm going to go to settings, and then after that go to control fuel, recover, and then put in 1, 2, 3, 4. Dang, with the gloves it's rough. We'll try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, command successfully sent. So I should be able to start the car now. And it runs. Woohoo! Super cold. Alright, thanks for watching. SinoTrack.